Okay, I had a student send me this question in the email. It said, okay, I got this problem. Find the distance between the points A, B, and 0, 0. And they figure it out to be the square root of a squared plus b squared. And the student asked, I was wondering how the answer ends up as two positive squares under the radical. Don't you have to simplify the negative squares in order to get the two positive variables, which then eliminates the square? Just leaving the two positive variables added together under the radical. I'm just uncertain how the two variables ended up squared under the radical. Okay, so I think what he's saying here, he's like, hey, how come this is not just a plus b, right? Why is it that, let me see if I can get this pen to work here. Okay, why is it that we don't have the square root of a squared plus b squared? Why is that just not a plus b? I think the best way to think about that is to remember that a and b are numbers. And the square root, say a were, so let's suppose, I just spelled it differently, shorthand there, that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. Well, then you would have 3 squared plus 4 squared. Yeah, okay, that's a 4. Let's see if I can fix that, make it prettier. So the 3 squared plus 4 squared. All right, now that, I bet you remember, is not just 3 plus 4, because I think you have an Aunt Sally that you maybe remember from a different class. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction from left to right, right? You have to do these exponents first. So this is 3 squared, which is 9, plus 4 squared, which is 16. And then you add these, because it's really understood that this is in parentheses, right? That you're going to do that first. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So you have the square root of 25, which is then just 5. Okay? So we didn't just take out the square on each of these and call this answer 3 plus 4 or 7, but we knew we followed the order of operations. We did 3 squared plus 4 squared, meaning 3 squared was 9, 4 squared was 16. Add those together, you get 25, then take the square root. So same is true up here. You can't just undo the squaring when you have that addition and the squaring. The squaring comes first, then the adding, then the square root. So it's an order of operations is why this is not in fact true.